Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome all my new subscribers to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, let's talk about how to make money online, dollar arbitrage, how to do investments, and at times to talk about simple way to make money online. Yeah. So today I have this app and I've done I think two videos about this app. Yeah, so I got this app last week, and right now I've made more than 800 Ghana cities on this platform. I've earned more than 800 Ghana cities, and one thing about this app is what, like, it pays on any currency depending on the currency you are like you want to register with. So let's assume that you register and verify it in Ghana. They will pay you through your bank account. Yeah. So it's just simple like that. And I think they will pay you to through your Momo too. So it depends on the account you provide. So when you're adding the account, if you're using bank accounts, then the name you will do it the bank name. But if you're using Momo, so the name you do it, let's say MTN mobile name. That one I don't want to go there right now because like I've already added my own. So this is how you do it. You go to more, and you go to bank account. So you add the bank account. So if you're using Momo, you say MTN mobile money or Vodafone cash. Then the number you put your phone number over the number that is registered on the Momo account. That's simple. Then you confirm it. So if you're using bank, then you confirm it too. Yeah. So when you create the accounts, first of all, this platform, this is how it works. You have to buy these products, and every day these products will earn you 10% daily commission. That's how this app works. So every day it will earn you 10% commission. So I will advise you to do the 860 cedis. But disclaimer, I'm not forcing you to do any investment. I'm just a student who love making money online. I'm not a financial coach. I just search online how to make money online. And when I find these things and I try it and it works for me, then I do videos about it. So I'm not forcing you to put your money in any app or do any investment. Yeah, because I'm not a financial coach. So before you do all these things, please make sure that you do your further research before you do all these things. Thank you. Yeah. So you click on buy, and you click on, let's say, save pay. Yeah, and you go to buy and you buy it. So the information will come. At times you have to pay them through mobile money, and after that you show your deposit receipts over there. So you screenshot what they sent to you in your message, and you put it over there. Yeah, that's how it works. So if you go to buy, so you can buy anything you want. So like this one is trying to this, so every day you'll be earning 42 Ghana cities, 42 Ghana cities. And this one is 500 cities, and you'll be earning 80 Ghana cities. So let me give you this free thing. When I come here, I always give you some free things. So let me give you one. Yeah. So if you're an influencer or you have TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, this is how you make the money. You just have to advertise the app. So when people register with your link, you will get commission from it. When people register with your link and they deposit, you get commission from it. It's simple. And you, that person, don't need to invest anything. Okay, maybe you can see that, okay, I want to invest and I'll be earning these things, but this commission too can also earn you a lot of money. I hope you understand. So this commission can also earn you a lot. So when you come to more, you click on share link, and this is your link. So you copy the link. So let's say, then Control plus C, then you copy the link, You see that thing. So then you share these links to your friends, or if you're a content creator, you can do these videos and put the link in your description for people to what, join through your referral link, and you'll be earning commission from it. Me, I don't hide anything from you people. I always show you the simple and the easy way. You see that thing? Because being content creator doesn't it doesn't take any much effort. You don't need to go to any school. Just put your phone camera on you and do videos and say like, "Oh, I have a new app." Then you introduce the app and you put the app in the description for people to join. That's it. And this one, you don't need to invest anything. But if you're not a content creator and you want to make money from this app, that one, you have to what, invest and buy any product you want. Or you want over here the plans, you buy any product you want over here. So this product every day it will earn you money till you earn. If you buy 50 Ghana own, you have to earn 1,500 before your product expire. I hope you understand. Yeah, if you are using, if you buy the 50 Ghana cedis own, you have to earn 1,500 before it expired. So if you buy the 100 cedis own, you have to earn 3,600 before it expired. So when I come to the withdraw, I joined this app. Let me check the date. I joined this app 28th December. 28th December. And the first day I joined this app, I earned 300 cedis. The following 2 days, I earn money and I withdraw. This one is my withdrawal records. So the first day I withdraw 300 cedis. Next 2 days I withdraw 50 Ghana cedis. Next 2 days I withdraw 320 Ghana cedis. Next 2 days I withdraw 55 cedis. And the next day I withdraw 94 cedis. It's that thing. And this one, I have all this money in my bank account. It's that thing. Yeah, I have all this money in my account. So if you want to withdraw your money, so if and you can withdraw from 50 Ghana cedis going. So this one right now I have only 16 Ghana cedis. So when it's reach 50 Ghana cedis, I'll click here and enter 50 Ghana cedis and I'll click on withdraw, and that's it, to withdraw for you. But one thing is like, it takes more than an hour for it to reflect in your bank account. If you're using bank accounts, it takes more than 1 hour to reflect in your bank account. But don't feel that they want to cheat you. Nah, it will come. So no shaking cry. If you withdraw, just relax. GAI. You'll see that it will reflect in your account in no time. People be calling you, bro, like I did a withdrawal, but I can't see it. Yo, bro, relax, relax, relax. You will see it. It will reflect in your account for 1 hour or 2 hours. So it's like it's bank transfer. So it can delay small. Yeah, it can delay small. So that is how it works. That is how it works. So I think I'm done, and I will leave the link in my description. And please, if you want to join my mentorship, if you want me to guide you on how you can make money online, I have a mentorship or a membership link in my description. If you join, I'll be there for you. I'll show you all the secret things that you need to know in this online business. I will not hide anything from you. Yeah, I will not hide anything from you. I heard people complaining that it's very expensive, but bro, knowledge is expensive. So if you want to be like me and earn money online, this course is very good for you. Yeah, and it's going out for only just 600 Ghana cedis. That's $52. Just that. Is that thing. So thank you for watching me, and catch you same time tomorrow. I'm out. Bye bye.